Welcome to the tutorial video of U15 vacuum cleaner. First, let's check what's included in the package. You should find main unit, floor brush, folding conductive rod, battery pack, adapter, gap suction head, 2-in-1 brush head, high-efficiency air filter, charging wall mount adapter, user manual and warranty card, and a dedicated cleaning brush. First, align the main unit with the slot on the battery pack, and push it in until you hear a click. Extend the folding conductive rod and connect it to both the main unit and floor brush. Ensure all connection points snap into place securely. Hold the body, press the power button to start. The vacuum cleaner will start and automatically enter floor mode. For stronger suction, tap the center control button to switch to carpet mode. For extended operation, press the button again to activate eco mode. We've specially designed a green light dust detection feature to identify particles invisible to the naked eye. Our vacuum cleaner also features 180 degrees low-profile cleaning, effortlessly reaching under sofas to remove hidden debris. For tight spaces, the included crevice tool attaches to the main unit, letting you easily clean between sofa cushions and other narrow gaps. And the integrated 2-in-1 brush makes it easy to dust curtains. Press both buttons simultaneously to release the dustbin. Rotate the HEPA filter according to the instructions, and gently pull out the dustbin assembly, remove and clean it. The brush head of the cleaning brush is suitable for cleaning dust on the HEPA filter. If the HEPA filter is too dirty, you can wash it with water, but make sure it is completely dry before using it again. Apart from the HEPA filter, the long crevice tool, roller brush, dustbin, and its filter components are all washable with water. The electric floor brush contains a motor which should not be washed with water, but can be wiped with a dry cloth. Make sure all parts are completely dry before reassembling. Make sure all accessories are back in place ready for next use. If you need assistance, please contact our customer service team. Thank you for choosing the U15 vacuum cleaner. We hope you enjoy effortless cleaning.